In example C, what you have are two spinners. Disregard the color of the sections or the segments. It doesn't matter. What matters are the letters and numbers and the combinations that they make when you spin. So if you were to spin the first dude, it'll land on a letter. And then spinning the second dude, okay, it'll land on a number. So it's D2. Okay, that's one combination. I want to make a list of all the possible outcomes. So the very first thing that the spinner on the left can land on is A. A could then be paired up with one of four choices. The second spinner could be a 1, a 2, a 3, 4. So therefore, the list looks like this. You could get A1, A2, A3, A4. In this case, a tree diagram isn't really all that helpful for me. It makes me repeat things. It's a great system of organization, so I can keep going with it. However, for the sake of this movie, I'm going to cut the tree diagram out and just list them out loud. Can you guys help me? What's the second set of options that could happen? If the first spinner is a B, then the second spinner could land on Yeah, I told you that the smart board's going to get dumb. So B1, B2, B3, B4. Oh, B4. It's like texting. Okay, and then how about with this third option? It could go C. Okay, there we are. Those are my four options for the C's. And then lastly, it could go on D. I'm so sorry about the smart board. So look at what we have then. What we have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 options. Those are the 16 possible outcomes from spinning two spinners. Okay? I had to do this first. You know why? Because it says so. List the possible outcomes. Here they are, 16 of them for you. I highlighted them in green. However, the question is not yet finally answered. It wants me to find the possibility or probability of a vowel and an even number. ¿Dónde está the vowels and even numbers? Where are they? A2, A4. So the probability of getting a vowel and an even number is, I have two of those desired outcomes. Out of how many total? 16. 2 out of 16. In simplest form, do you know what 2/16 is? 1/8. And has anyone memorized what 1/8 is as a decimal? 12.5. Good. I'm sorry, not 12.5. 0.125, because I'm ahead of myself. And then the percentage is 12.5. %. Rather simple, okay? It's just a system of organization. Make a list of all the possible outcomes of these two spinners, and then that's your total outcome. Then you look for what you were desiring. I wanted to find vowels paired up with an even number. Only 2 occurrences of that. I think the toughest part of this is a number, like the changing of fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, which your homework has